A smart building is one that is connected and provides the ability to control and manage its indoor environment. It is also designed with eco-friendliness in mind and aims to create energy, save energy, and accumulate energy. Highly reliable microcontrollers with low power, eco-friendly specifications are required to ensure system reliability and safety of a smart building. Highly efficient low power consumption BLDC motor driver is designed using Renesas new microcontroller RL78G14 series. Auto thermal shutdown protection will increase the burnout of the winding of the motor, and sinusoidal current control will increase the life of the BLDC motor, enabling a very good life of the product. The product specs go like this: 1200 mm sweep ceiling fan, motor, permanent magnetic type bushless DC motor, class B insulation, electronic drive, sensor, sinusoidal controls using microcontrollers, 12-volt DC power supply from battery or solar PV panels. Standards as per BIS 374 1979 Amendment number 6 2002. Free air delivery 215 cubic meters per minute at 350 RPM rated speed. Power input 30 watt maximum. Ambient temperature of operation 50 degrees Celsius. Solar panel required 50 watts. Option to run from AC main source 110 to 230 volt, 50 or 60 Hz. Renesas Electronics offers an abundant lineup of highly reliable and high-performance microcontroller, discrete and other products optimal for smart buildings that thoroughly meet low power requirements, as well as a great number of smart building application solutions.